Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's just a typical day here in the neighborhood, but we're with Mikey in a GTR, about to do a little night shoot. We're just waiting for the sun to go down so we can do some little long exposures, but this local location is looking neat. Oh yeah. Listen to that GTR purr. It's looking clean with the dark blue and the black wheels and the black carbon though. Oh yeah. Pretty cool location. I always pass through here on my way to college. I'm loving the industrial vibe. Man, look at the scenes here, parked next to the River Trent. Just beautiful with the sun shining. It's a pretty good day. Ooh, I wonder who did a burnout here, under the North Forest ground. Getting some shots though. Oh yeah. Quite a beautiful bridge here. Look at the views though. Beautiful. Amazing architecture. Some random graffiti here in a back alley, but the views are amazing of this bridge and the river. Oh yeah. Currently being stalked by a police car. Let's see if we get pulled over. Oh yeah, we're definitely getting pulled over. This should be interesting. Probably gonna be about the front plate, but let's see. Hopefully he gets no tickets. Beautiful sunset here at the university. Parking up to get some shots. By the way, we only got a warning, so that's good. No tickets today. Nice sunset views today behind this C-Class. Alright, so we just arrived at the QMC, about to do the long exposure shots under this American looking bridge. So basically what I'm going to do is put my camera on a tripod and set it for a long exposure and light up the car myself using my video light. This is my first time trying this, so let's see how it goes. Pretty sick spot though. Big thanks to King Cobra Mustang on Instagram for showing me this spot when we went to shoot together. Tail lights looking sexy with the smoke coming out of the exhaust. Oh yeah. Parking it up now to get the shot with the green tram bridge. What I'm gonna do after on Photoshop is merge them all together and mask out the areas to get an evenly lit photo. So yeah, this is my light. I've got a lot of different gels for it and I'm gonna do different layered colors. Try out and do something arty. Sounds so good just parking. So many ambulances out today. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video and I'm out.